Welcome to the SFT Weekend Update. This is Morris. We want to begin by looking at the action on the U.S. stock market and look at where we have come from and potentially what to expect as I see a top formation taking place. Just because we've got a top formation in play right now doesn't mean we're going to plummet lower. As a matter of fact, what you see here is evidence that the bulls are not ready to give up just yet. This is common in markets. For instance, as we looked at the pattern right here, which was the bull harami, and then followed through with a piercing bull formation, both of these formations are reversal patterns. But rather than the market just moving up and going straight up to these highs, what we had was a fake move. It moves up, and the bears are not ready to give up. They drive the market lower, and then right on cue, right through the month of October and on into November, and now as we move into mid to late November, we see the market beginning to put in some topping action. These formations down here have been boss formations. It's really the bull harami and then reinforced by the piercing bull. What we do have here is a evening star formation on a very overbought market. Notice where the oscillators are on this. But what we can expect and what we might anticipate is support areas such as this. You can have an initial decline, and I had looked for this area of the gap right here to be the area where we could catch some support. So let's say the market goes ahead and moves into this area. That doesn't mean it's going to move all the way down and get into some sort of a deep correction. What it likely means is a move potentially back up. I see the double top formation looking more like this, putting in the top action right here, and then ultimately moving lower and not necessarily going real deep, but certainly going back down into some of the previous upside gapping action. The bull wedge is broken. The head and shoulders top formation on a minor formation sets up here, but could simply be nothing more than the initial side one of a double top, as in this was a double bottom. We will keep traders alert on how to trade the potential opportunity. Now let's move to the dust trade. We've got dust on the chart tonight because we've got a position now in the asset. What we're looking for here is maybe a little bit of a pause right in this area that would form a right shoulder and then a breakthrough. The initial targeting on the chart would actually set up and put in potentially the double top formation on the dust chart. What that would spell is some very nice gains on our trading positions. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.